Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you the beautiful unboxing of these new launched watercolors half pen set by Little Birdie, and using these colors I have created the beautiful bookmark, these lovely and vibrant flowers. So let's draw with Shivani. So this is the beautiful metal box in which you will get the hanging so that you can hang it anywhere if you wish. And also after opening it you will get the palette to mix the colors. So this is the broad palette for your color mixing, and then opening the other part as well, and tada, all 24 small pancakes are here. And this is the watercolor brush pen, so you just need to rotate the bottom and you need to fill the water inside this, and whenever you want to use this you just need to squeeze the center portion. The push has been written there, and it will release some water to the brush hairs. So it's very easy to use. I will show the use of this brush very soon. Now I'm just starting with opening my colors one by one. So here is the first color, that is white. It's very well packed, and you will get this plastic container inside which each color cake has been fixed. So quickly I'm opening all the rest of the colors, and then I will show you the different shades on my watercolor paper. So I have just opened all the shades and see how vibrant they are looking. So gorgeous. I'm just loving each and every shade of the palette. And I have added some drops of water over the colors so that they can soak the water, and it will be easier for us to take the color from the cakes. So till that time I'm just filling my brush pen using some water. So you just need to take the black knob and fill the brush pen using water. Again put your black knob and just close the pen, and it's ready to use. Now here I have created the half papers of black and white watercolor. This is a watercolor paper so that we can see the color effect on both the shades, that is on the white and on the black. So my first color is white. I'm using the same brush pen to show you the swatch of each shade. Now the next shade is complexion. You can use this for the skin part. Now the next one is silver gray, then sky blue, then peacock blue, then blush violet, the next color is cobalt blue, then dark blue, then next shade is ultramarine blue, then we have grass green. I just love this green. Then the next one is fruit green. Then we have dark green. Then black. This is a jet black. Then we have brown. Then citrine color, yellow ochre, yellow, then orange, then golden yellow, pink, then next shade is rosy. I just love this rosy shade as well. Then we have vermilion, then scarlet, and last but not the least, crimson red. So here are the swatches of each and every shade, and can you see all the shades are looking super vibrant on white color, though the shades are not very vibrant on black. Some of the shades are looking great on black as well, like here pink and reds are looking nice on black. So the reason behind some of the colors are looking nice on black because they have the very nice pigments inside this. Now here I have just stamped the cute bunches of flower and the sentiment using black archival ink on watercolor paper, and I'm quickly showing you the coloring part using the beautiful color palette. So first I'm just adding little water on the base, and then I will start coloring the background using citrine and complexion color shade, and then I will color my flower bunch. like this. And now I'm just adding some black splashes using my black gel pen here and there. And then I'm just punching one hole on the top using hole punch machine and passing one light green color satin thread through this, and our cute bookmark is ready. See, the colors are very vibrant. I'm just loving the outcome very much. So this is about the watercolors by Little Birdie. If you want to buy this, I have given link in description box. You can check there. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.